Now I am going to talk about another free certification courses on international business management. This course is offered by Academy Europe. It is a free certification course. You'll get your free certificate after completing this course. So let's see the overview of these courses. The instructor of this course is Robert Russell. This course contains total 26 lectures and the duration of this course is 10x. So let's see for whom this course is for. This course is especially designed for the students of management, commerce, human resource, marketing and business law. So what are the prerequisites to enroll these courses? To understand this tutorial, it is advisable to have a foundation level knowledge of business and management studies. However, general students who wish to get a brief overview of international business may find this course quite useful. So to enroll this course, here you can find one options, enroll button. You just need to simply click over this button. Then here you will get this page. So if you have already an account here, then you can use your mail and password to log in. But if you are new here, then you need to click here register button to create your new account. After that you will be able to enroll these courses. So you'll get the link of these free courses in the video description. So check it over there.